Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee stock 7073. It's run from the 10th 2010 to the 3rd 2013. It's a WK 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is WK 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 20-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door and left rear door 1 dent, left rear 20-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard 1 dent, right front headlight needs polish, right front 20-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,